Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error on your iPhone. So if you see error Facebook would like to find and connect to devices on your local network. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here privacy, and in the privacy you need to find local network, and here if you see here Facebook, just turn on, just allow Facebook to use your local network. And if you don't see it here, so try another way. Just go to display and brightness, just go here and just find here text size, and just try to make it smallest. So try to make it the smallest you can make. So just slide to the left side and just make it smaller. So after, if it doesn't help you to, you can also try to restart your phone. So just go to the general, and in the general you need to find here shutdown, and just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off, and just wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if you still have this error, just try to force restart your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So just tap on high volume button, then after on low volume button, and just keep and tap and hold power button until you will see here a black screen, and after you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. And if you still have this error, so the latest way you can also try, just remove your Facebook app, just remove it. So just move it, tap on it, and just move it from left to right. So here you can see remove, and after just go to App Store and just tap on search and just write Facebook here, and just download and install Facebook again. Also, if you see here update, you can also try to update first. Then if it doesn't help you, you can delete this app and just reinstall it. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.